In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image into a shape in Microsoft PowerPoint. This technique can add a creative flair to your presentations, making your visuals more engaging and professional. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. It usually takes a moment to open, but once you're in, you can either open an existing presentation if you're working on something specific, or create a brand new one to experiment with some different ideas. Either way, you can add photos, tables, or other content to give your slides some foundational elements. Once you're ready, navigate to the Insert tab located in the main ribbon at the top of PowerPoint. This tab is where you can add a variety of elements to your slide, from images and shapes to charts and text boxes. For our purposes today, we're going to focus on adding a shape. Click on Shapes, and you'll see a drop-down menu displaying a wide range of options, from basic rectangles and circles to arrows and stars. Simply choose a shape that complements your design or message and draw it onto your slide by clicking and dragging your mouse. Now that you've drawn your desired shape, the next step is to click directly on that shape. This action will automatically bring up a new tab in the ribbon titled Shape Format. It's here that we can start getting creative with our image insertion. So, in the Shape Format tab, look for the Shape Fill button. It often appears as an icon with a paint bucket. Click the arrow next to Shape Fill, which will unfold a new menu. From this drop-down menu, select Picture or Texture Fill. This feature is what allows us to fill the inside of any shape with an image. Once clicked, another window will pop up where you can choose the source of your image. You'll have options like inserting a picture from your computer, selecting stock images, or even searching online sources. This flexibility means you can really tailor the visuals to suit any theme or topic. After deciding on the source, you'll be prompted to select the image file you want. Browse through your files, pick an image that fits your presentation's theme, and then click Insert. And just like that, PowerPoint will place your chosen image perfectly inside the shape you drew, neatly filling the space to give it that polished, professional look. Feel free to move or resize your shape on the slide to position your image just right, and you're done. In summary, adding images into shapes within PowerPoint is straightforward and can significantly enhance your presentation's visual appeal. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to explore other creative possibilities this feature offers. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.